guys, so in this tutorial I'm just going to be showing you how to do this simple look. This is just my everyday makeup. I wear this usually to work just on normal days. Sometimes if I'm just going out running errands, I won't put on lashes or I'll just do chapstick, but mainly this is just it. Simple look, and what you're about to see is also filmed on a different day because I totally forgot to film an intro to this. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting off priming my face using my Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Powder. I got a little sample, but I am loving it. So once I'm done with this, I'm definitely going to buy the product. Next, I'm going to be using my Jouer foundation. I got the color Fawn, but it's way too dark for me, so I like to mix it in with my Shape Tape concealer. I got the color Fair, which I always use for my concealer. So I'm just going to put a little drop on the back of my hand, because a little bit goes a long ways with this foundation. It's like insane. I probably put like 3 little swatches of concealer. Then I'm just going to use any foundation brush. I am using the one that I got from VIB Rouge at Sephora. Just going to mix that in and then apply it everywhere. And this is a really nice foundation just for every day or even just like special events because it's so full coverage. As you can see, it's literally like a mask, which I love full coverage. Like, I'm a full coverage kind of girl, so I would definitely invest in this foundation if you're looking for a new one. It's super lightweight. Like, when you're wearing it, doesn't feel like you're wearing any makeup, so that's something I really like about it, which is good for an everyday foundation. I feel like this is too light. It does kind of oxidize just a little bit though, so I'm not too worried. Okay, I'm going to mix in a little bit more of just straight up the Jouer foundation, and I'm going to blend it in with my damp beauty blender. By the way, sorry if my lighting is like, I know it's super off. I'm just sitting in front of my window, but it's like dark outside because it's so cloudy. It's like insane. And you can see like it totally covered up all my acne scars, all of my acne in general, like even my dark circles. It's amazing. And it feels so lightweight. It has hyaluronic acid in it too, but it is a matte finish, which is nice for oily skin, or combo skin actually, because it won't, you know, dry you out. I'm going to go ahead and with my Shape Tape concealer and just highlight all the areas I want to enhance. I'm going to cream conceal using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use the color Toast. I do feel like it's a little bit too warm, but it doesn't look bad, so I'm just going to do that. The only thing about the LA Girl concealer is it does dry fast, so you do have to work pretty fast using it. I'm actually going to go in with the brush because this is just a little bit hard, and I'm going to spray it in with my Smashbox primer water. This is the Morphe E20 brush, just because I really don't want any lines today. Blends definitely easier with the brush, I've noticed, but I just wanted to be cool for a little bit. Yeah, see, the other one did not blend like this. It was not this dark when I started this video, and it's literally like, I mean, I guess it's like 3 p.m. And I like to set my T-zone just because I feel like that's where my makeup tends to rub off easier throughout the day. especially my chin area, because I break out a lot there and it just gives it the extra coverage. And anywhere where I have breakouts, really, I set with powder so that the makeup does not rub off. For my eyebrows, for every day I do use powder. I use the Benefit FoolProof brow powder. I can't talk today. I use the color 5, and it comes with this little brush. It comes with a little brush, but it's not even a brush. It's like a little sponge. Why? I don't know. I don't use it. It's literally, this is the first time I touched it. But yeah, I go in and I literally don't really pay attention to. It's like lighter on this end. I don't know if you could see. So it's lighter on this end and then darker on the other end. I really just go in. I don't even care which one. I think I use more of the darker end, honestly, because I use Ebony in Dip Brow. So I like them pretty dark just to get the nice frame going on. Brush my brows down a little bit so I can see better where I want to put my product. And I like to kind of push these hairs towards my nose. It's because I like the nice, like, feathery, natural looking brows, if you know what I mean. Then I'm going to go ahead and conceal, kind of clean up the bottom a little bit with my Shape Tape. And if you haven't, like, done your eyebrows, this is a good way to kind of hide all of those little baby hairs. And that's what I do. I feel like my eyebrows definitely take longer than like the rest of my face. I'm going to go in with some bronzer. Going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I accidentally got the Tan to Deep palette when it was on sale, but whatever. I'm going to use this shade right here, and then to deepen up the more towards like the edge of my face, I use this one right here. I hate how I look orange in camera. I promise I'm not orange. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade now. Same brush, just apply it more towards the outer part and blend in. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E13 brush and gonna go in with the lighter shade to contour my nose. Meanwhile, I let all of that bake. I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner and just draw a simple wing. Let's see if I can do that, because every time I say simple, I end up with panda eyes, so. They're kind of different, but you know what? Eyelashes will hide it all. It's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna leave it. Gonna add some of this mascara. It's my go-to. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit. I use 2 different shades in this palette. First, I start off with this shade right here, which is called Moonstone. And then in the lighter parts, like the very highest tops of my face, I use Summer, which is this lighter one. I really don't use, I've never used this one. But I'll probably use it as like an eyeshadow, or maybe if I want like, during the summer, if I want like a sparkly bronzer, I can put either of these over my bronzer, probably this one over my bronzer. So, nice idea if you guys don't know what to do with like your darker shades of highlight. So, you guys know the drill. I'm going to be spraying my face with the Primer Water by Smashbox first. I'm just going to go in with the flat eyeshadow brush and grab the color Summer and put that along my tear duct. I'm using the WetNWild Pearlescent Pink blush, by the way, to kind of tone it down because homegirl plays too much. Next, for my lips, I'm going to go in with the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. I love, for like an everyday lip, I use the color Biscotti. Then, to finalize this look, I'm going to be just spraying in my primer water. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a quick thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!